Hi friends! Today I have a fun story about three little friends who learned that together they can do amazing things. In a sunny forest lived Benny the bunny, Tina the turtle, and Max the monkey. One day they were playing near the stream when, oh no, a huge log was blocking the water. The fish couldn't swim and the stream was stuck. Benny tried to push it. Nothing. Tina tried to pull it. Still stuck. Max tried to push too, but the log wouldn't move. The friends looked at each other, worried. Then Benny had an idea. Let's work together. Tina smiled. Yes, if we all try at the same time, maybe we can move it. So, Benny pushed, Tina pulled, and Max jumped to give one big push. Hooray! The water flowed again, the fish swam happily, and the forest seemed to cheer. Benny giggled. We did it! Tina nodded. See? Together we are stronger. Max jumped up and down. Yes, friends can do anything if we help each other. From that day on, Benny, Tina and Max always remembered. When friends unite, nothing is impossible. Thanks for joining the adventure, friends. Remember, unity is strength. Always help your friends and have fun together. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more fun stories. Bye-bye.